Hello, I'm Diane Cornegie, Superintendent of Lake County Schools. November is a time for gratitude, and this month we're celebrating the heart of Lake County Schools, the people behind the scenes who help make our schools run every day. Today, the spotlight is on our bus drivers and maintenance workers. From the early morning routes that bring our students safely to school to the countless repairs and improvements that keep our buildings in top shape, these employees keep our district moving forward. Let's take a look at how they do it and hear directly from some of the incredible people who make it happen.
I am a lead driver for Lake County Schools at the Lake Ridge Bus Lot. We have about anywhere between 50 to 60 people who work here. The environment is very playful, serious, but professional. Bus drivers are the first school personnel that you see in the morning. So how your attitude is in the morning and how the kids take it, I think is how they see their day and how they proceed on with their day. Elementary kids, on the first week, the first day, they're the most scared. So they're crying coming to the bus in tears, and the parents are just giving them to you, and you just kind of have to hold their hand, and they tend to have that trust and that love for their bus driver because they know that you're always there and they always see you every day. I've known kids to make up songs in the back of the bus. As you're driving, they're making up songs. I see kids in the back of the bus playing rock, paper, scissors with the other kids if there's another bus behind you.
These two girls, they are from Venezuela and they don't speak any English, and they always appreciate me, and all the time that they see me, they start waving at me. If they can approach me, they will say the same thing, like, thank you very much, we appreciate you taking us to the schools. So that was nice.
If I was a student at school, and if it's too hot, I would be very uncomfortable. I wouldn't want to work or do anything. We deal with the building management system, which we try to conserve energy and also make sure that the temperature and the humidity is at level, and that most of all, the kids will be more productive in a comfortable setting. Same for the staff as well.
Our bus drivers and maintenance staff are a vital part of the heartbeat of our district, and we are so thankful for their care and hard work. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate our employees. Stay tuned as we share more stories of the amazing people who make our district such a special place.